Good morning, student. I am your math teacher Prapinder Kumar. Discuss about the compound interest without using formula. The question number, exercise number 2D. This is revision exercise. The first question what we have: what sum will be amount to 6,593.40 in 2 years at compound interest if the rate are 10% and 11% for 2 successive years. What we have, amount is given here, but we have principal is what sum will be, that is principal find out करना है. Let the sum be equal to x rupees. Rate of interest for first year, that is rate equal to R1 equal to 10% per annum. Interest at the end of the first year, that is P into R into T, that is principal equal to x multiplied 10 multiplied 1 over 100, that is x over 10. Amount at the end of the first year, P1 plus I1 equal to x plus x over 10 equal to 11x over 10. That is a amount at the end of the first year. For the second year, that is the principal P2 equal to A2 equal to 11x upon 10. This is A2. Rate of interest for second year, that is R2 equal to 11% per annum. And this one we have rate of interest at the end of the second year, that is I2 equal to P multiplied by R into T, 11x over 10 multiply 11 over 100 multiply this one, we have 121x over 1000. Amount at the end of the second year, P2 plus I2 equal to that is 11x over 10 plus 121 over x upon 1000, that equal to 1100 x plus 121, that equal to amount at the end of the second year we have given. This is 6,593. The amount at the end of the first year, second year, that is 6,593 rupees, and this one we have. And cross multiply now, that is 1,221 x over this one, x equal to cross multiply, that is 6,593 rupees 40 paise multiply 1,000 1,221, and we have cancelled. This is 5,400 and sum, therefore sum P equal to x equal to 5,400. अगला क्वेश्चन हमारे पास, the sum of the value of the machine depreciate by 10% per year during the first 2 years and that 15% per annum during the third year. Express the total depreciation of the machine as percent during the third year. Let the original value of machine be x. Rate of depreciation for the first year, that equal to 10% per annum. Value of machine depreciate for first year, that is I1 equal to principal, rate and time, that is x multiplied by 10, and that is original value of machine we have find out, that equal to, I repeat again, the value of machine depreciate by the 10% per year during the first 2 years and the 15% for third years. Express the total depreciation of the machine as percentage during the 3 years. हमने एक्चुअल वैल्यू की कितनी वैल्यू जो मशीन की डिसएप्रिशिएट हुई इन 3 ईयर्स. 2 ईयर के लिए हमारे पास जो है रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 10% है और थर्ड ईयर के लिए हमारे पास 15% है. तो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू मशीन की नहीं. लेट द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ऑफ मशीन वी हैव एक्स है. रेट ऑफ डिसएप्रिशिएशन फॉर फर्स्ट 2 ईयर आर इक्वल टू 10% पर एनम. Value of machine depreciate for first year, I1 equal to x multiplied 10 multiplied 1 over 100, that is x over 10. Value of machine depreciate for first year, that equal to P1 minus I1, that is x minus x over 10, that is 10x minus x over 10, that equal to 9x over 10. For second year, P2 equal to E1 amount at end of the first year, that is P2 equal to 9x over 10. value of machine depreciate for the second year, that equal to I2 equal to 9x over 10 multiply 10 over 100 multiply this one we have principal rate and time. This one we have 9x over 100. However, value of machine this after second year, that equal to P2 minus I2 9x over 100 minus 9x over 100, that equal to 90x minus 9x equal to 81x over 100. For third year, P3 equal to A2 81x over 100. Rate of the rate of the value of the machine depreciate for third year, that is R2 equal to 15% per annum. कि थर्ड ईयर के लिए वो 50% पर एनम के हिसाब से डिसएप्रिशिएट हो रही है वैल्यू. द वैल्यू ऑफ मशीन फॉर डिसएप्रिशिएट फॉर थर्ड ईयर, दैट इज I3 इक्वल टू PRT. P equal to 81x over 100, R is 15 over 100, that equal to 1, this one we are 243x over 2000. Therefore, the value of machine depreciate during the successive year I1 plus I2 plus I3 x over 10 plus 9x over 100 plus 243x. This will be taken, that LCM is 2000. And this way 200x plus 180x plus 243x, that is 623x over 2000. आगे percentage of value of machine depreciate. So percentage of value, that is a value of machine depreciate in 3 years multiplied by 100 over original value. Value of machine, that is 623 over 2000 multiply x, and original value equal to x, 1 over x over 100, that equal to 20 cancel by 20, 10 and this x cancel by x is 623 over 20, that is a 31.15%. आगे हमारे पास नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी है. रचना borrows 12,000 at 10% per annum interest compounded half yearly, and C pay 4,000 at the end of the every 6 months. Calculate the third payment C has to clear. C has to make at the end of 18 months in order to clear the entire loan. The principal equal to 12,000, rate of interest, that is 10% per annum. Our interest at the end of the first half year, that is a first half year, time equal to 1/2 years. हाफ ईयर की बात हो रही है, टाइम हमारे पास आएगा 1/2 हाफ ईयर्स. टाइम इक्वल टू दिस वन P 12,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied 1/t over, that is 1/2. This is 20 cancel and 5 2s are 10, and 120 multiplied 5 600. Our amount at the end of the first year, that is A1 equal to P plus I1 equal to 12,000 plus 600, 12,600. Amount paid at the end of the first year, that is a 4,000. Each year 4,000 amount is paid. Outstanding amount at the end of first year, that is 12,600 minus 4,000, that is 8,600. For the second year, that is a principal equal to amount, outstanding amount at the end of the first year, that is 8,600. Our interest at the end of the second half year, that is a principal, rate and time. Time is half years, that is a 8,600 multiplied 10 multiplied time. Time equal to 1/2 over 100, is a 20 cancel and 5 2s are 10. 86 multiplied by 5, that is a 5 6 are 30, 40 and 43, that is 430. आगे amount at the end of the second year, that is A2 equal to P2 plus I2, that is 8,600 plus 430. आगे हमारे पास this year 9,030 rupees. Amount paid, that is a every year he paid amount 4,000. Outstanding amount, that is a 9,030 minus 4,000, that is a 5,030 rupees. For third half years, P3 equal to A2 dash equal to 5,030. Interest at the end of the third half year, I3 equal to 5,030 multiplied 10 into 1/2. This is 20 cancel. And this one we have 503 divided by 2, that is 251.50 rupees. amount at the end of third half years, that is equal to P3 5030 plus 251.50, that is 5281.50. This is a amount to clear the debit end of the third years. Now question number 4, on a certain sum of money invest at the rate of interest 10% per annum, compounded annually. The interest for the first year is 652. Find out the sum. Plus, what we have questioned, on a certain sum of money invest at the rate of interest 10% per annum, compounded annually. The interest for the first year plus interest for the third year is 2652. Find out the sum. Let the principal equal to here. Principal, we have find out the principal, that is equal to x, rate of interest 10% per annum. Interest at the end of the first x, p multiply r into t, that is x multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 over 100. This is cancel, and that is x over 10. Amount at the end of the first year, that is x plus x upon 10 equal to 11x over 10. Now this one, principal for second year principal equal to a2 equal to a1 equal to 11x over 10. Interest for the second year PRT, that is 11x over 10 multiplied 10 over 100 into 1, that equal to 11x over 100. Amount at the end of the second year P2 plus I2 equal to 11x over 10 plus 11x over 100. 110 plus 11x, that equal to 121x over 100. For third years P3 equal to A2, 121x over 100, that is equal to x. Interest at the end of the third year, that is I3 equal to 121x over 100 equal to x over 100. 10 upon 100 equal to 10, 0 cancel. This is a 121x over 1000. According to question, compound interest for first year plus third year equal to, their plus sum equal to 2652. Our x 1x over 10 plus 121x over this one we have, and this one we have. Take LCM, 1000 is LCM, and 10 is by 100x plus 121. Or this one we had 221x over 1000 equal to 2652. Or x equal to 2652 multiplied 1000 over 221. This one we have cancel. 221s multiplied 12. This is 2652, and this one we have 12,000. That is sum is 52. That is 12,000. Again, question number 6, what we have, find out the sum on which the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest at the rate of 8% per annum compounded annually be 64 in 2 years. अब यहाँ हमारे पास दो टाइप के क्वेश्चन है. डिफरेंस हमने फाइंड आउट करना है, डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंपाउंड एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. फर्स्ट वी हैव ओरिजिनल सम, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल इक्वल टू x रुपी, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8%, interest at the end of the first year, that is I1 equal to PRT over 100, that is x into 8 multiplied by 100, this year 2x over 25. Amount at the end of the first year P plus I1, that is x plus 2x over 25, 27x over 25. For second years, that is P2 equal to A1 equal to 27 over 25. Interest at the end of the second year, that is I2 equal to 27x over 25 equal to 8 over 100 multiply 1, that is a cancelled here, and this here 4 2s are 8 and 25 4s are 100, and 27 2s are 54x plus 25 multiply 25 625. अब हमारे पास आ गया दिस वन भी है 54x over 625 अमाउंट एंड एंड ऑफ द सेकंड ईयर दैट इज A2 equal to P2 plus I2 27x over 25 plus 54x upon 625 625 is LCM and this one we have 25 as 25 7 is 675 plus 54 that is 729x over 625 this one we have therefore the compound interest end of the second year that is A2 minus P1 that equal to this one we have compound interest that is 729 this one we have 625 that is 104x upon 625 over this one we have. Now we have simple interest for the second years. This one is simple interest and that is a PRT that is a 2 years time is a 2 years that is x multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2 over 100 that is a 4x over 25. Difference between compound interest and simple interest. Second year compound interest and simple year this is difference between yes compound interest we have that equal to difference between compound 104x over 625 minus 4x over 25. LCM is 625 that equal to 625 and 104 minus 100 equal to 64 and 104 minus 100 that is 4x over 625 that is 64 and 4x equal to 64 multiplied by 625 x equal to 64 multiplied by 625 by 4 that is a 16 multiplied by 625 is a 10,000 rupees that is the principal equal to 10,000 rupees. Now question number 7th. A sum of 13,500 invested at a 16% per annum compounded interest for 5 years. Calculate interest for first year and the amount at the end of the first years and third we have interest for the second year. Correct the nearest rupees. Principal that we have 13,500 rate of interest 16% per annum. Our interest at the end of the first year that is PRT that is 13,500 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 1 over 100 this is 20 cancel and 135 multiplied by 16 that is 2,160. Amount at the end of the first year that is P plus I1 equal to 13,500 plus 2,160 that is 15,660. आगे for the second year P2 equal to A1 equal to 15,660. Interest at the end of the second year that is I2 equal to 15,660 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 1 over this 10 cancel and this one were 156.6 multiplied by 16 that is a we multiply this one that is a 2,505.6 nearest rupees this one we have 2,506 rupees. That's all.